Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps how you can add someone in Telegram with their phone number. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first thing, you need to open up your Telegram application. After you open up your Telegram application, and right on this page you'll be able to see an option as contact in the bottom left corner. You need to click on it, and as you click on contact, all the contact list that is on your device will appear right on this page. And as you're on this page, you need to click on the plus icon located in the top right corner of your screen. And if you haven't saved their number, then what you need to do is you need to click on the plus icon located in the top right. As you click on the plus icon, next interface you'll be able to add the phone number and the contact name, and click on create in the top right, and that is how you can add someone in Telegram with their phone number. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.